If you were affected by the Capital One data breach, you may be eligible for a settlement payment. Here is how to get your Capital One settlement share, quick and easy. Step 1. Check if you are eligible. You are eligible if your personal data was exposed in the 2019 Capital One data breach. This includes names, social security numbers, bank info, or credit details. Step 2. Visit the official settlement website. Go to the official Capital One settlement site. Make sure it is the real site, not a scam, before entering any info. Step 3. File a claim or confirm your info. If you already filed a claim earlier, you may only need to confirm your payment method. If claims are still open in your case, fill out the form with your name, contact info, proof of losses, if required. Step 4. Choose how you get paid. Select your payment method, direct deposit, PayPal, check my mail, etc. Direct deposit is usually the fastest. Step 5. Wait for approval and payment. Payments are sent after final card approval, which can take time. Once approved, payouts usually arrive within weeks to a few months. Important tips: watch for emails from the settlement administrator, check for spam folder, never pay anyone to unlock your settlement. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.